Hi there. We're here with Jason Weiss today to talk about NetBackup, particularly the integration that we have with VMware's vSAN. And Jason's going to cover off some of that for us.
Right. Thank you, Derek. Yeah, so NetBackup vSAN support, it's a new feature. It's a very exciting feature. So what is vSAN support? So that I'm representing here, I've got three ESX or three ESXi servers, hosts. What it is, it's a combined aggregate disk pool. So you're pulling the storage together to create a vSAN data store. This is an important feature from a NetBackup point of view because it leverages our VMware Intelligent Policies, or VIP. There's two aspects to VIP. The first one is Query Builder, which we'll talk about. Second aspect is the resource limits. So these virtual machines or these applications that reside on the vSAN data store, NetBackup uses VMware Intelligent Policy Query Builder. So there's a number of different annotations. In this case, since we're talking about vSAN, then it would be the data store type would be equal to vSAN. Through VMware Intelligent Policies Query Builder, we can automatically detect the virtual machines. There's a number of different attributes, whether the powered state or the host name or the display name or the data store type. So we do support vSAN or non-vSAN data stores. vSAN is a critical component to the overall backup and recovery or data protection strategy. VMware is moving more and more customers in this direction as part of their software-defined data center strategy. So more and more customers are going to be deploying the vSAN technology, which means from a backup recovery perspective, it becomes a very instrumental part.
Well, that's great, Jason. Can you tell us a little bit about, as they're moving forward and their data stores get bigger and bigger, how do we handle that sprawl? When it starts to get a little wider, is it really difficult to set the policies or reset everything in that case?
Right. Great question, Derek. So through VIP, the benefits, the power of using the VMware Intelligent Policy feature is that we do automatic discovery. So we can automatically discover those virtual machines, those application VMs that reside on that data store. So this becomes very important from a backup recovery perspective to make sure the right VMs are included or excluded, or the certain data store types are either included or excluded. We could have a number of different queries defined to support the growing VMware environment. This fits into the overall NetBackup for VMware strategy. So vSAN's a component of that, but we also have features like instant recovery for VMware. We have replication director for VMware. So if these data stores reside on NetApp storage, we do support this vSAN component for NetApp's accelerator for VMware as well, and we have some plugins that allow the VMware administrator to administer the backup and recovery environment. So going back to the benefits of vSAN is, as Derek was talking about, automatic discovery of those virtual machines, those application virtual machines. What we're also illustrating is the power of VIP and the resource limits. So, most environments will have a LAN or SAN fiber channel connectivity. So resource limits are a critical component to VIP, and in this case, vSAN data store. There's a number of different resource limits that we support. So we can control transport modes, we can support clusters, we can support snapshotting process. So resource limits work as part of VIP to be able to expand and load balance the backup and recovery environment across multiple different NetBackup media servers, if that's the case.
Well, that's excellent. Thank you very much, Jason.
Yeah.
It's great to know that as VMware is moving forward with their technologies, we're sort of going lockstep with the features they're offering with the way that we integrate.
Absolutely.
So that's great to know. Thank you very much.
Sure.